I guess I have to wait till she pushes the button. I don't want to waste any of my seconds. Good morning, everyone. As Sharon said, my name is Laura Smith, and I am pleased to be presenting today on behalf of the Bar Association and the Foundation. The Bar Association exists to serve the needs of lawyers, judges, and the public. The two key components of the Bar Association's mission are to provide legal representation of indigents and also to educate the public on legal matters, like we're doing here today. The Bar Foundation was founded in 1991 to be the charitable arm of our Bar Association. Its mission is to promote the administration of justice, increase access to justice for all people, especially those struggling with poverty and abuse, and also to promote the public understanding of and respect for the law, again, like we're doing today. In 2014, our Bar Foundation was the largest funder of law-related initiatives in York County. We awarded over $260,000 in grants to justice initiatives. Among the grant recipients are some of the organizations you'll see featured on this slide, many or most of whom are here today. The Bar Foundation programs include Legal Lines, our legal education program that we produce for the community access television station, our annual mock trial competition put on by our Young Lawyers section every year for local high school students, and Law Day, a community event held every year on May 1st to celebrate the role of law in our society. The Bar Foundation provides administrative support for Legal Legacy, which is a volunteer-run program designed to promote charitable giving within our community. We partner with York County Alliance for Learning to present the Law Career Exploration Program for high school students. And we also founded and now provide financial support for the United Way's Truancy Prevention Initiative. So with this little bit of background on the foundation and association, I'm going to turn to our actual civil legal service programs. This graphic depicts a little bit about what Mr. Woods was talking about earlier with the study and the overwhelming need for legal aid in our community. And due to this overwhelming need, I was hired in 2014 to be the Pro Bono and Legal Services Coordinator. It is my job to manage the Foundation's Pro Bono program and to also create a vibrant Pro Bono culture within our Bar Association. So what is our Pro Bono program? Pro Bono is free legal services to those who qualify. Our program is 100% volunteer driven, and in 2014, we had over 100 attorneys volunteer on over 300 cases. However, to fully understand our Pro Bono program, you have to understand the Bar Association and Foundation's relationship with Mid-Penn Legal Services. Our foundation is a funder of Mid-Penn Legal Services. We fund their family law attorney position. Our association members also provide additional funding in lieu of service. And then we most importantly do overflow casework for Mid-Penn through our Pro Bono volunteer program. Our program's financial and case type eligibility guidelines are established in conjunction with Mid-Penn. Mid-Penn will present next and more fully explain the eligibility guidelines, but in the past our attorneys have taken cases involving some of the areas of law you see depicted on this slide. So the bottom line with our Pro Bono program is if you think you have a client who may qualify for free legal services, you need to have the client contact Mid-Penn Legal Services. Someone at Mid-Penn Legal Services will speak to them about case type and also financial eligibility. And if your client qualifies, their case will either be handled by someone at Mid-Penn directly, or they will be referred to one of our Pro Bono attorneys, like the family here. Our next program and our newest program is the Modest Means program. We developed this program to help the working poor, and the program is still in its pilot stages, but it's set to be fully operational by the beginning of the year. For the purposes of this program, we defined working poor as those that fall within 126 to 200% of the U.S. federal poverty guidelines. So by example, a family of four is roughly $30,000 to $48,000. We're also willing to help those who fall under the threshold if they have the ability to have a cosigner. At the current time, we are only serving cases in criminal law and family law for this program. This program requires that a client fill out an application. There is a $25 non-refundable fee for that. We ask for financial information, pay stubs, income tax returns to ensure that they can pay for the service. And we also ask that they submit their application 1 week prior to any hearing or scheduled court proceedings so that we can guarantee that they'll be able to consult with an attorney prior to that. If the client qualifies through the program, they'll have a 30-minute consultation with a lawyer. That's included in the application fee. And if the attorney and client agree, or decide to go forward with their relationship, the modest means rate is $100 an hour or 60% of the typical flat fee. So to sum up on the modest means program, this program is administered through the Bar Association, so that your client would call the Bar Association. We'll either email or have them come and pick up an application, and if they qualify for the program, they will be assigned through the Bar Center. And lastly, the last program I want to speak about is the Attorney Connection Program. This isn't a civil legal aid service per se, because anyone is eligible irrespective of income. This is a for-fee service. It's a $50 fee for a 30-minute consultation with a lawyer. The service provides experience panels for more common areas of law and also more specialized areas. It assures that the attorneys are up to date with their malpractice insurance and that they are in good standing with the disciplinary board. And since I'm red, I gotta go quick. So to sum up everything, the Bar Association and Foundation both work out of the Bar Center building. However, we are not equipped to take walk-ins, so please have your clients call us. We provide 3 legal service programs: the Pro Bono program, which we administer in conjunction with Mid-Penn Legal Services, the Modest Means program, and also the Attorney Connection program. So thank you again for coming. I think Sharon mentioned this. We're looking at this as the beginning of a conversation today. I've tried in my year and a half of being here to reach out into the community and have conversations with individual service providers, but I'd love to do more of that, so please feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the program. And I